Okay, so I want to take just a minute to kind of give you a good example of what the writing would look like this week that you're working on. And so this is kind of what the um, steps or the structure that we follow in class are. And so I kind of want to just give you an example with using my own ideas of what yours might look like. So the first thing I did is I wrote my introduction. In my introduction, I want to tell what is my topic and what are my reasons. I don't give any extra information, no examples, no teeny stories, nothing like that. I only tell my topic and my reasons. So the place I would want to visit the most is Wyoming because there are mountains to ski on, to visit Yellowstone National Park. I might need to reword that, but that's okay. This is my flash draft. And most of all, because I want to visit the big ranches. So now that is my introduction. I have told my readers what I'm writing about and my reasons, but I did not explain them yet. So now I'm going to go into my first reason. One reason I would want to visit Wyoming is because there are big mountains to ski on. Okay. For example, they have a ski resort called Jackson Hole, which is a town with a big ski area. The trails are great for families, and there is lots of lodging available for my family and I. When I am skiing down the mountains, I feel like I am free of all worries, taking in God's wonderful work of nature. Okay. So you see how I told you why I told you one reason why I want to go to Wyoming, and the reason why is because there's mountains to ski on. And then I gave you an example of a ski resort there and why it's beautiful and why I want to go there. And so that whole paragraph is nothing except skiing. That's the only thing I'm going to talk about because that is my first reason I want to go to Wyoming is to go skiing. And then I'm going to skip down and I'm going to say another reason I would want to visit, is, and I'm going to give my next reason. My next reason is because I want to visit Yellowstone National Park. I want to visit Yellowstone National Park. Okay. And then I'm going to say, for example, I don't know what I just did. Sorry, guys. For example, and I'm going to tell something about Yellowstone National Park and why I want to go there and what's cool about it. And so I'm giving another example of visiting Yellowstone National Park and why I want to do that and what's cool about it. And so that's kind of the setup of this paper. So if you've been working on yours and you need to revise it a little bit, you can. If you need to pause this video and kind of keep it pulled up and you need to insert your things, then you need to do that. I want to show you the anchor chart we're using in class so that if you need to take a screenshot of it, you can. So how to write an essay, and this is exactly what I just did. So the box here was my first paragraph, and then these bullets were my next 3 paragraphs, and those blanks I'm just filling in with my own words. I want to visit Wyoming because, and then I just give my reasons and my examples with your own. So if you need to take pause the video and take a screenshot of that, then go ahead and do that. So if you need to go back and do some revising or whatever, I just wanted you to kind of see how it needs to be set up and how you give your reason and then explain your reason.